In this video, you'll learn how to buy USDT using the OKX app. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to complete your purchase efficiently and securely. Begin by opening the OKX app on your mobile device. Ensure that you are connected to a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the process. Once the app is open, locate and tap on the Buy Crypto option. This is usually found on the home screen and will direct you to the cryptocurrency purchasing interface. After selecting Buy Crypto, you will see a list of available cryptocurrencies. From this list, choose USDT. This is important as it specifies the currency you wish to purchase. Next, enter the amount of USDT you wish to buy, but ensure to input the amount in your local currency. This allows you to see the equivalent value before proceeding with the purchase. Now, select your preferred payment method from the available options. You may choose bank transfer, debit/credit card, or an e-wallet, depending on your country and the payment options provided. After selecting your payment method, tap on Buy USDT. At this stage, the app will process your request and may take a moment to confirm the transaction. Once the transaction is confirmed, you will see a payment confirmation screen. This indicates that the USDT has been successfully purchased and is now available in your account. Finally, navigate to your account balance to verify that the USDT has been credited. It is advisable to check your transaction history for any additional details regarding your purchase. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.